Welcome to Culinary Recipe Creations, the ultimate destination for food enthusiasts and aspiring chefs alike. At Culinary Recipe Creations, we're passionate about the art of cooking, and we're here to inspire, educate, and entertain you with a wide array of mouth-watering recipes and culinary tips. Before we get started, subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell for more delightful and tasty recipes. Now get ready, sit back, and let's go.
If you like apples and crave comfort food, then this apple crisp recipe is your new best friend. First, peel and slice 6 apples, any variety you love. Toss them in a bowl with a sprinkle of cinnamon, nutmeg, and a touch of sugar. Can you smell that already? Next, make the magical topping. Mix oats, brown sugar, flour, and a pinch of salt. Cut in some butter until it's crumbly. This is where the magic happens. Spread the apples in a baking dish and sprinkle that delightful crumble topping evenly over them. Bake at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes until golden brown and bubbly. Let it cool for a bit, then serve warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Pure bliss. Don't forget to subscribe to Culinary Recipe Creations for more mouth-watering recipes. Enjoy your apple crisp.
If you're drooling over that recipe, you're in the right place. Hit subscribe, like, comment, and share. And don't forget to tap that notification bell for tasty updates. We hope you enjoyed this video from Culinary Recipe Creations. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.